I'm really excited as I will be doing a haul video which I was planning to do for so long. My Nykaa haul video. Today itself I got my Nykaa shipment delivered and I thought of doing a haul video of this. So as you can see, I haven't opened this box and I was patiently waiting to get home and unbox it with you guys. So yeah, let's take into it. I'm really bad at opening boxes. Okay, the first thing which I got from here is the invoice. This is the first thing which I got, and the packaging, as you can see, is very good, impressive, as this is a bubble wrap so that your product will be safe and sound. So let's unwrap it. Okay, the product finally came out, and this is the Maybelline Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner, and the maximum retail price of this is 275 rupees, but I got on discount, so I actually don't remember the discount price, but I'll tell you. This is for 275, but I got it for 235. This is the first product which I got for myself. The second product which I got is, I don't know what it is, I have to open it to see. Okay, it came out finally, and this is Bharat and Doris Cheek Highlighter. It is in the shade 03, and yeah, I'll show you what's the color. So this is the cute little tiny product which I got from Bharat and Doris, and the maximum retail price of it is 650 rupees, and I got it on discount price, which is I think 585 rupees. So yeah, it's a great deal, I guess. So yes, I like the color. This is the product. It is really a nice peachy coral color, which I really like, and I think it will really look good. So yeah, I'll try it out very soon and let you know how it worked on my skin. So the next product I got is this, and I think this is also an eyeliner, because this time I really ordered a ton of eyeliners. I don't know why. I was just going through the eyeliners section and I just ordered whatever I got. So yeah, this is the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner. So the maximum retail price of this product is I can't find the price, but I think it's in the invoice. I'll tell you. Okay, this cost around 350 rupees, and the discount, after discount price, is 263 rupees. So this is the product. I'm really excited to try these out. So the next product I got is, oh, this is the Maybelline's mascara which I ordered. So yeah, I can see that, I can guess that because I have seen the yellow color of it. Guys, this time I was totally into makeup products. This time I ordered only makeup products, mostly the eyeliners. So yeah, this is the Colossal Volume Express Mascara, and the maximum retail price of it is 400 rupees, and the after discount price is 338 rupees, so which is a great deal again. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, this is nice, I guess. So the next product I got from Nykaa is, I think this one is also an eyeliner, because yeah, this time I ordered lots of them. Oh no, this one is concealer. This is Makeup Revolution's Focus and Fix Liquid Concealer, and the maximum retail price of this is 550 rupees, and after discount price is 440 rupees, and I am in the shade 03 Light. So yeah, I am really excited to try this out. The next product which I got for myself from Nykaa is this Lakme 9 to 5 Black Impact Liner. I have heard about this liner and people have always given me positive feedback about this product. So I thought of trying it out and I hope it will turn out to be a good product for me. The price of this one is not written here, so I'll let you know. The last product which I got from Nykaa is this Color Essence Super Extend Liner Eyeliner, which is of 125 rupees and after discount price is 119 rupees, which is again good. It is a 6 ml product. I have watched a few YouTubers talking about this, so I thought why not. So yeah, so I ordered it and I got it. So I'll be using it, I'll be reviewing this product. I'll let you know about this product and I'll be doing a review video on this. So that is it for the Nykaa haul. I really loved my product as for now and I am really hoping great things from my products. And yes, I'm really excited to try these out and I will let you know how these worked on me and I'll be posting pictures of it. Please let me know if you like this video and if you do so, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. The link is here, please just hit it and yeah, you'll be subscribed to my channel. So how great it is. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then guys, stay happy, stay stylish and keep smiling.